Guys, we're here at the Broker Caravan in Carlsbad, and today we're going to show you some properties in Carlsbad, Encinitas, and Cardiff, so stay tuned. Our first stop brings us to Paradise at 5192 Carlsbad Boulevard, located right off Highway 101 and just steps from your own private beach access. This west-facing, beautifully remodeled Spanish home is listed by Candace of CØMPASS and is a 5-bedroom, 5-bath, 3,663 square foot home priced at $4.475 million. This property also features a beautifully and newly remodeled 2-bedroom, 2-bath ADU that completely captures the beauty of the endless San Diego sunsets with its own expansive patio. Entrance to the upper level can be from inside the home, if desired, or can be completely separate to allow for a rental or vacation property. This is a must-see. Next, we're heading a few minutes south of Carlsbad to Stephen and Bryce's newest listing of Lincoln Realty Group at 6905 Avocet Court. This is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, 2,197 square foot townhome with an attached 2-car garage and is located in the quiet coastal community of Aldea. Right as you step inside, you're immediately greeted with a welcome open floor plan and tall ceilings throughout. The gated community also offers a community pool and plenty of greenbelt areas for your entertainment. Finally, we would like to bring you to Encinitas to view Kyle at Keller Williams' listing at 815 Marissa Lane. This highly modernized and upgraded home sits on a half-acre and is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 2,786 square foot home that is priced at $2.449. A true turnkey entertainer's home features a backyard oasis with a pool, spa, built-in barbecue, lush landscape, and a fire pit for the whole family to enjoy. Close to award-winning schools, shopping, downtown Encinitas, and some of the best surf spots you can ever see. Thank you again for touring these properties with us today. And if you have any questions about these homes or any homes in San Diego County, give me a call, 619-888-9333. Thank you so much.